Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to see a evening snack recipe, corn cheese sandwich. It's a very simple and easy recipe to make which will just take about 10 minutes of your time. Here I've taken one large onion and half a capsicum. If you don't like onions to be in your sandwich, then you can skip the step and just add capsicum and corn. But I usually will suggest to add onions, only then you'll get a crunchiness to your sandwich. Slice the onions as small as possible. The chopping part for preparation of the sandwich is over. We just need to now add in all the ingredients together, mix well, and our sandwich mix will be ready. I'm adding about quarter cup of corn. These are cooked corns. If you get raw corns, then just boil the corn for about 5 minutes and then add it to the onions and capsicum. Add a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of kasuri methi, half a teaspoon of crushed red chilli, or more if you like it to be more spicier. Quarter teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add salt as per your taste. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of veg mayonnaise. You can use any kind of mayonnaise you prefer. About 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix everything well together and leave the mixture aside. Now let's arrange a sandwich. You can add any kind of cheese. I'm adding cheese slices here. You can even add grated cheese. Take a heavy bottom pan, any non-stick pan preferably. Here I have taken a grill pan. I want to share a small tip with you. Instead of adding butter directly to your sandwich bread, you can add it to your grill pan. This will help you get a crispy and crunchy coating from outside. Adding directly will take a longer time for the bread to get roasted, but doing it in this way will help you get a crispy coating faster. Same way, before flipping over to the other side, remove the bread from the pan and add butter to the pan and then flip over to the other side. Finally, our sandwich is ready in no time. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. If you like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye until I meet you in my next video.